Here's how to fix Facebook dating not showing up. Now, if you're on Facebook on your iPhone, Android, or a computer and you're not seeing the dating option and you want it to show up so that you can set up your profile, I'll show you how it works and how to get it working. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now first, we'll open up the support page by Facebook. It says, who can use Facebook dating? Because it's not available to everyone. Now, it says Facebook dating is available in many countries. To access Facebook dating, you need to be at least 18 years old or older, or essentially the birth date that you have entered into Facebook has to be 18 or older. If you entered the wrong birthday, you can always just update that. You need to have a Facebook account in good standing that is at least 30 days old or a month old. You also need to live in a country where dating is available. And then it says, if you delete your dating profile, you can't make a new one for 7 days. So then it shows you where dating is available. You can see a long list of countries, and at the very bottom here is the United States. That's the country I'm in, so it should be available. If your country is on here, and you meet these other requirements, like you're 18 years or older, you've had the account for 30 days, and you haven't deleted your profile recently, then you should be good to go. Now, let's hop out of here and open up the Facebook app. Let me just go home real quick. What we're going to do is tap on the profile button at the bottom right, and you'll be able to see a bunch of shortcuts. And there you can see is the dating symbol, that little heart symbol. I can tap on it to start setting up my profile. But let's say you don't see it on there. It's potentially because you hid it from being on there. So we're going to tap on the gear icon at the very top right. Then from here, we're going to scroll down. You can see under accessibility is tab bar. I can tap on that and hit customize the bar. Now, if you see on here that there's Facebook dating and it's under hidden, then essentially you want to switch that over and pin Facebook dating onto your tab bar so that basically you can go back to your profile and go to your dating profile easily. But if you've hidden it, you just need to unhide it. Now, if you've done all of these and you still don't see the dating or it's not showing up, there are some other options. You can see at the very bottom here, it says, here we may restrict your account. Basically, if you aren't 18 years old, if you have a new or inactive account, or if you went against our terms of service or community guidelines or community standards. Now, keep in mind if you do have a violation on your account, then potentially you won't be able to access Facebook dating as well. So they do have the right to revoke that if you go against their terms or service. Now, if you go through all this stuff and you meet all the requirements, then you should be able to get it. The last thing I would recommend doing is just hopping into your settings. Let's tap on General and then on here, iPhone Storage. We're just going to find the Facebook app. There it is. And just offload the app and reinstall it. This downloads a fresh new version of this app and a lot of times fixes any kind of bugs or glitches within the app. In addition to, for instance, the Facebook dating not showing up. That might be a bug or glitch. And installing a brand new fresh version of Facebook onto your phone or onto your computer. Just refreshing everything essentially. This should help it show up and work from there. If you want to keep an eye on your loved ones for their safety, check out mSpy, the ultimate monitoring app for calls, messages, and location tracking. The link is in the description. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.